heard that Series 3 is coming soon, but what you won't know is that there is a magic show with dancing mermaids, a dashing Air Force officer from my past, and a glamorous tennis soiree. But that's all highly classified, so it's just between you and me.